Hello guys, good morning. This is BMW X5. I will teach you how to reset the engine oil life. This is already I make a service already finished. I changed the oil filter. Oil filter is there. Then I clean the air filter. I check also the top up fluid level. Then I teach you how to reset the engine oil life. Then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Must be finish my video. Then you know how to reset the engine oil life. Push the start button. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
One, two, three. All off. بعدين 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes.
Then
بعدين push. 1 minute, 1 push. Okay. Reset oil. Then push.
Then hold the VC.
Hold VC.
This one for reset the engine oil life. This is a BMW
Restart
X6.
performance up, بعدين push, بعدين hold push. Performance reset. Okay, now reset programs.
Now hold the VC in that
Yes, reset
button.
successfully.
Now successfully reset the engine oil life. Now finish. Thank you for watching my videos. This is a BMW X6.
X5.
Okay, X5, X6
21.
2021 model. Okay, thank you very much guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, AutoTech. Thank you.